Hello everyone, I'm Marcelo, and on this tutorial we will learn how to get, reply and send Outlook emails in UiPath Studio Web. So I have already here some test emails in order to test our automation. So let's get started by creating a new project on UiPath Studio Web. So let's click here on New Project. And let's click here on Create. So the first step is to connect our Outlook account, so then we can get, reply and send Outlook emails. So here let's add activity for each email. And on this activity we'll set up the connection to our Outlook account, and it will create already a loop for each email iterated, and so on this loop we can execute the actions that we want for each email. So let's select the one from Microsoft Office 365. And so let's connect our account. And let's select. So now we have to give some access to UiPath in order to be able to read emails, send, and so on. So let's click here on Yes. So the connection is done, and now we have to indicate the email folder that has the emails that we want with rate. So in my case, it's the inbox. So let's here indicate the folder. So in my case, it's this one. It's on Portuguese, so we just have to do a double click and then click on Save. Then we have here some additional options where we can filter the emails, so just get unread emails. We can also limit the emails retrieved to iterate. So here we can also mark as read, so to mark the iterated emails as read. So let's leave as it is. So by this way we'll be created a loop for each email retrieved from our inbox. So let's learn how we can read data from each email, like the subject and the body. So here on the body of the loop, let's add a log message. And so on this message, on this one, let's log the subject of the iterated email. So here, let's click on use variable, and we can see that was created a variable current email. And this variable represents the email iterated. So if we click on it, we can see properties that we can extract from the iterated email, like the body, the subject, the sender, and so on. So here let's get the subject of the email. Now here log level, let's set as info, for example. And now let's add another log message to get, so here to see the body of the email. So let's select here body. And so let's run our automation to see if it's working well. And as we can see here, here we can see the subject of the last email that we have here, and then we can see the body, then we can see the second email, just an email, and we can see so also the body of this email. So we can see that it's working well. So we learned how we can get data from each email, like the subject and body. It's really easy here. So now I'll just delete these two log messages. And now let's see how we can reply to each email. So to reply to each email, let's here add the activity reply to email from Microsoft Office 365. And so here we just have to indicate the email that we want to reply. And what's the email? It's the email that it's being iterated, the current email. So let's select here the current email variable. Now here the body, we can set here the body of the email. So let's here, for example, enter email sent from UiPath Studio Web Automation. And so here we have some additional options, as we can see, that we can define. So let's just run automation to see how it's working. So the automation already ended. So we can see that basically was created a draft. So the emails weren't sent, as we can see here. So we have here basically a draft. So in order to the emails be really sent, we have here on the activity to mark save as draft to false. So by default it's true. So here let's set false. And now let's run automation again. So the automation execution ended. So now if we click here on the set items, we can see that was so executed a reply to each email, as we can see it here. So the reply was done successfully. So now let's learn how we can send an email. So let's send an email to a specific email address after the iterated each email retrieved. So here, after the for each email loop, let's add the send email activity. And let's use the one from Microsoft Office 365. So here on to we have to indicate the email address of the receiver. So we can here, we could create here a variable, but let's just indicate here directly to be more simple. So here I will indicate one of my emails. And now here on the subject, we can, for example, enter UiPath Studio Web Automation, for example. And now here on the body, the automation already processed all Outlook emails. Now here, save as draft, let's set to false in order to the email be really sent. So let's run again our automation. So the automation execution ended, and we can see that was sent again the emails to each email iterated. Here, to avoid the repetition of being iterated the same email multiple times, we could here on the for each email on the additional options mark as read the processed emails, and then here we could set to process only the unread emails. So by this way we will avoid process certain email multiple times. And we can see also here that was sent the email to the specific email address. So here we can see here the email. So we can see that worked as expected. And it's that. So if you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and also consider to subscribe to the channel and enable the notifications bell so we will get notified on each tutorial that I launch here on the channel. And now I leave here a playlist of UiPath Studio Web tutorials so you can learn more about this UiPath tool.